Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Faris Anantiarso, with NRP number is 23, and I will explain my final project poster with the title is Experimental and Numerical Study of the Effect Jet Impingement Ratio on Double Trapezoidal Solar Editor or DTAP-SAH. And for the research background, uh, modification made to increase the thermal efficiency of solar editor are to adding and expand the area of the absorption area of heat energy, uh, and one of which is the use of corrugated absorber plate with a trapezoidal shape. Giving holes or gaps in the form of jet impingement also creates high air turbulence, resulting in higher transfer. The research was conducted in the form of providing jet impingement on a solar editor with a trapezoidal plate with three variations of distance or jet impingement ratio, which is 0.25, uh, 0.370, 3 370, 375 and 0.5. And for the research purpose is knowing the rate of heat transfer in DTAP-SAH with variation in the jet impingement ratio. And number two, knowing the performance and efficiency of DTAP-SAH experimentally and numerically based on variation in the jet impingement ratio. And this is a scheme of DTAP-SAH, 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 or double trapezoidal solar editor. Uh, the first, there are air inlet, uh, there are air inlet which there are air inlet flow to the jet plate with flows to the jet plate with cross flow, and there are jet impingement or holes in jet plate, and then uh, the air from inlet will be uh, will be uh, will be crop will be will be will be collision to absorber plate, and absorber plate energy get radiation energy from halogen lamp uh, with uniform heat flux, and then after that the hot air uh, forward to the air outlet, and then there are design of the TAPSAH, and this is the testing tools for the absorber plate, and this is the research variation. This is jet ratio, which is jet impingement distance per a half of long shape of corrugated absorber plate, and the methodology is the first step is literature study, and then there are planning, design, and configuration DTP-SAH, and then design DTP-SAH in GAD software. After that, we can after that there are determination of formula and equation for experimental studies. After that, after that, there are assembling DTP-SAH and supporting components. After assembling and supporting components is done, there are we uh, there are doing testing and data retrieval. After that, we doing numerical study. After that, uh, there are numerical step. This is there are numerical step, uh, and there are numerical study with the numerical step is, and then there are numerical step, and the numerical step is the maximization CFD with ANSYS Fluent. After that we analysis. After that we doing analysis. After that is finished. And this is a picture of experimental and numerical results. There are graphic, thermal efficiency and design efficiency with intensity 800 watt per meter area. There are two intensity in this research. There are 100 watt per meter area and 800 watt per meter area, but the best results is obtained by uh, intensity 8 800 watt per meter area. And in the picture on this side of in the picture on this side is a graph of the actual or thermal efficiency and the design efficiency at flight intensity uh, of 800 watt per meter area. When the air velocity increases, the efficiency value also increases because it makes uh, because it makes uh, because it makes heat or useful energy that is absorbed. And in the third variation, or with a jet ratio of 0.5, it has the highest efficiency value at its velocity compared to the other jet ratio. It is comparable to the formula Q. Q uh, efficiency is equal with Q per Q per uh, uh, Q per AC times intensity. Q useful divided by uh, absorber plate area times intensity. In the numerical study, it is found that there are three contour temperature of 3D section of DTAP-ACH, and in the numerical study, it is found that the temperature jet impingement above the jet impingement in the space between absorber plate and the jet plate has a lower value than other areas. Otherwise, for its jet ratio, we can we can look if uh, if the if the counter if the color of counter is blue, it is indicate that uh, it is indicate that there are high velocity in the area. and and for uh, the color counter and for the green color for green color contour on uh, on TTIP uh, on TTIP and then uh, indicate that the velocity is low than other jet impingement area, uh, and the temperature is higher than area with jet impingement with below. And this is the three variation. But for the outer temperature, the outer temperature higher is obtained by uh, jet ratio 0.5 because uh, the the air the air velocity Conclusion: from the result of the research that has been carried, it can be seen that the greater the ratio between jet impingement on one line or a smaller number of holes, the higher the DTAP-SAH outlet temperature. The highest actual efficiency between variations was obtained at a jet ratio variation of 0.5 with an intensity of 800 watt per meter area of is with an intensity is 24.08%. As for the design efficiency between the highest variation, it was obtained at a jet ratio variation of 0.5 with intensity of 800 watt per meter area of 73%. Menit ya,